Guys, we're Mike's because that's where we always are. I know I always say that. Tonight we're doing a mixed box break. We didn't have anything really come out this week that I thought was really cool, so we thought we'd do a little bit of the old, a little bit of the new, and a little of the in between. So let's get some of the fun stuff out of the way. Do the long shreds first. Whee! We're gonna do that first, or do you guys want to do? You want to do it random?
Okay. Fine.
We can do teams afterwards.
What do you want to do?
Teams after. Let's do it different.
Is that okay? All right. We haven't assigned teams yet. I think it's kind of fun to do it this way because every card's in play for everybody.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
Do you want me to open something?
Sure. All righty, sir. Enough of me. More about the cards.
Well, you got to open something first.
Yes, believe me, we'll get right on that.
You know, I don't want to show your lower midsection.
There's a lot of it. It shows up regularly. One, two, three. There's supposed to be an autograph in the jersey in here.
Come on, Mary.
No pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there you go. Mike Davis.
Tricked you on that one.
You did. It fooled me. Odell Beckham Jr. Wish that was our autograph.
No one makes a fool out of me.
Oh, here's a fast one.
Oh.
Right.
Was that the
Derek
Sanchez?
Carr. Was it? I went right past it. Who does that?
You needed a new quarterback of the Broncos?
All right, so we got our autograph. We got our jersey. And Tim Tebow doing what he does best.
There was a rumor of him coming back.
Yeah, about that.
Let's not do that, guys. We already did it once.
Tim Tebow is destined to do many great things in this world. I'm not sure being a quarterback is one of them.
Should have played tight end or something.
I wish he had been a great fullback.
Yeah, fullback.
The car is number 74 of 249.
And right now, everybody in the store could own that card. Alrighty. Did we get the hot box? Nope, doesn't look like it. Oops. Alright, didn't drop them. There we go. Hello.
Oh, I'll get it. Thank you.
All right, Devin Smith, numbered out of 299, and a gold team of Mr. Tom Brady.
This is the Jets box.
Where's Adam Crane?
Is he on the list tonight?
He's not. There we go. Marcus Peters, numbered out of 75. Cam Newton, numbered out of 99. Alex Smith. Peyton Manning. Why wasn't that one signed?
He didn't have time.
Either that or he's not a good
It
product.
doesn't know. Or maybe.
I don't know. He can do whatever he wants right now. Alright, last pack of certified. Jay Cutler and Preston Smith. Alright, we'll get to breaking these down in a minute. Alrighty, let's do an inception from 2014. Clear. One packer is a little bit easier to work with. Alright, starting it off with Luke. Andre Johnson. Dante Moncrief, numbered out of 122. Bishop Sankey, autograph, numbered out of 50. Mr. Archer, autograph, numbered out of 50. And Alec Ogletree and Zach Stacy.
You're not talking the cartoon character Archer, are you?
I'm not, but I can't wait for that to come back.
That'd be funny though.
You mean you don't? I like Pam.
HR.
Yeah, exactly. Irony. Alrighty, clear vision box. 6 packs, 1 hit. Should we? I guess we'll do it that way. There's our thick card. There's Matthew Stafford. Ooh, uh-oh. Jalen Strong.
Zoom in on just his eyeballs.
Extreme close-up. And Dante Fowler Jr., Peyton Manning.
They're going to be thankful this guy is not their normal videographer.
Special guest videographer tonight, Nick. Denard Robinson, numbered out of 25. Philip Dorsett.
So going for the thick pack did not work.
Oh, we just saved it for last. All right, and it is Antonio Brown, jersey, numbered out of 75. Alrighty. Next, 2013 Panini Spectra. Something you don't say very often in breaks. Yeah, I gotta tell you, the price this one's at right now, it's actually one of the really cool products out there. We've got it for like $114 a box. You're gonna get 6 autographs and 6 jersey cards. Not environmentally friendly. Well, now that it is economically friendly, I guess. Oh, this will just take a sec.
Is it just in the box?
Yeah. See if I don't cut myself. That's one way to increase views. Yep. Cards in blood.
That will teach you to go on vacation.
That'll learn me something. Yeah, I'm going to Vegas tomorrow. Can't get hurt tonight. Kyle Rudolph, Kendall Wright, jersey, and Kenbrell Tompkins autograph. Now that I said nice things about this product, hopefully it delivers. Geno Smith and, oh cool, Denard Robinson. This one's numbered out of 99. All right, I guess I'm taking some help here. Thank you, Mary. City Limits, numbered out of 99. Frank Gore, Spectra Signatures. That'll be a good one. Joe Flacco, numbered out of 99. All right, Manti Te'o, numbered out of 10. Combo materials, Gino and EJ. Oh, there was a day people wanted that card. Josh Boyce autograph, numbered out of 99. Only all ready to show off the clear vision break again. We have numbered out of 99, Marquise Goodwin. Vance McDonald. This one's numbered out of 49. Earl Wolf out of 299. Palomalu and Mr. Rogers. Last but not least, Maurice Jones-Drew, numbered out of 49. Nice looking Antonio Brown, numbered out of 10. Two-color jersey card. Kobe Hamilton, numbered out of 299. And Calvin and Russell. Ooh, big boy product time. What to do next? Should we do the 5-star? Sure.
2014 5-star.
2014 Topps 5-star. It's a single box. Anybody want the box? Alrighty. No whammies. That's good packaging. Starting it off with a 5-star autograph of Jeremy Macklin. We have a Jace Amaro autograph. A Doug Martin autograph.
Ooh, nice.
Michael Floyd autograph. James White autograph, numbered out of 25. And I guess this is our big hitter. It's a Golden Graphs, numbered out of 25, of Mr. Jamal Charles. Well, now everybody wants the Chiefs. All right, last pack of the night. Breaking open a box of 2015 Panini Luxe football. Most of these have 4 cards. I've seen a few that have 5. Hopefully we have another one with 5. And it's a 4 count. Starting it off with a rookie memorabilia autographs of Philip Dorsett.
Zoom in on the redemption.
Go for it. That one you can do, not a problem. It's not a point card. T.Y. Hilton, numbered out of 49. We have Jamison Crowder, numbered out of 49. And here's a rookie you guys should all be familiar with. Melvin Gordon, autographed jersey, numbered out of 99. I guess the team to have now would be the Chargers. So we'll divvy up the teams here in a second. You guys don't have to wait. Thanks for watching our break. Please subscribe to our videos, and we'll hopefully be showing you more soon. Who knows? Maybe one of these days I'll shave.